I'm fascinated by the integration of AI with 3D printing. How is artificial intelligence being used to improve the outcome of 3D printed objects? Are there specific examples where AI has made an impact? Well, I would say there's two areas where AI is influencing our industry. One is on the design side, and the other is on the data analysis side. So we at Objects haven't introduced artificial intelligence a lot into our process. Quite frankly, we prefer to look at everything individually in terms of our part quoting and our production processes. I have seen in the industry where AI data analysis can help to estimate or evaluate where failure points will happen on prints. It'll help you do pre-maintenance on machines. On the other side is AI generated content and designs and 3D files for printing. This is still pretty new in its infancy, but it is definitely going to have an impact on our business. One of the biggest challenges over the years has been finding the right people to do the proper design work, and that has been a big change. In the last decade, many more people have been educated and trained on these kind of things. AI will help enhance that, and we already see a lot of this happening when people are sending us concept ideas. We see them being generated in 2 dimensions as photographs, and the amount of creativity that can generate is pretty impressive. I mean, we use AI to help us write some of our content and to kind of dig through some of our data, but at this point, I haven't seen a lot of impact at Objects Unlimited. I do think it's coming though.